Now I'll give you a little technique. If you are experiencing, if you have a loved one or a friend who's resisting letting go, then you and other people recite Kirtan Sohila for them. And that will help them if they're stuck in their death process. Other chants like Chakra Chakravarti can be used to help them access their courage. Because many times people are not letting go to death because they're afraid. They're afraid of the unknown. And that's why it's so important in life that we face our mortality and face our fear of death. And that fear can be seen in how we are living our life. These chants are not done to eliminate the process, but they're done to aid the person. So it's not a spiritual bypassing at all. It's just a tool to aid them. Just like we use meditation and yoga in our sadhana to aid us, not to avoid or be distracted from our challenges in life. They're just a tool to help us go through them with more consciousness.